To turn off vibration when you are using navigation gesture on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to disable system vibration for navigation gesture. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find sound and vibration. Tap sound and vibration. Tap system vibration. Under vibration feedback section, tap the blue on off switch next to navigation gesture until the switch turns green to turn it off. When this option is off, your phone will not vibrate when you are navigating your phone with swipe gesture like this. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.